Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix AngelList Talent login problems, profile and access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with AngelList Talent, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Next, open your web browser and clear the cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing the login errors. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If you continue to face issues, confirm that you're using the correct email address and password. If you're unsure about your password, utilize the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. Ensure that you're not using a saved password from your browser, as it may be outdated. If the login page shows an error message, take note of it, as it can provide clues for troubleshooting. If there's a server error message, wait a few minutes and try again later. If you are still locked out, attempt to log in from a different web browser or device. This can help identify if the problem lies within your original browser settings. If you're still unsuccessful, consider disabling browser extensions, as they can interfere with website functionality. If all else fails, visit the AngelList support page for assistance. You can reach out via their contact form or check if there's a known issue affecting users. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and potentially resolve your AngelList Talent login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.